How to create and set up a Shopify account. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can get started on Shopify and set up your store. So let's just get started. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser and go to the search bar, head over to shopify.com. Once you hit enter, you will be greeted by this welcome page. Now, in this case, what you can do is, if you're new, click on Start for Free right over here. Since I already have an account, what I can do is click on Login directly. But in your case, you can register with your email, your Google account, Apple ID, or even your Facebook. Since I already have an account, I'll just continue on and log in with my Google account. So if I just click on Google, just select my account and it's going to automatically redirect me to the login page. Once you are here, you are going to have to fill out your details. So you can start free and save for as little as $1. So you can start a 3-day free trial. Then the next month, it's going to be $1 per month for 3 months straight. And you can cancel anytime without any commitments. So you can fill out these details if you want for now. I'll just skip it. Then they're going to ask you some questions on how you would like to set up your store. So if you are an online store, select this. If it's an in-person or at a retail store, you can select this one, in-person or at events, this one, social media, and more. So I'll just select these 3 options for now. Click on next. And if the shop is for a new or an existing business idea, select either one of those. Click on next. Now select your business scale, tap on next again. Now if you are currently selling on other platforms, you can select this. If not, you can just click on next. Now, what do you want? What are you planning to sell? So if you make products by yourself, you can select this one. If it's digital products like music, digital art, and NFTs, it's this option, drop shipping services. And if you are planning to decide later, you can do that. Tap on next again. Once you fill out all of these stores details, you will be taken over to this. Now, as you can see here, the 3-day trial has started and it's going to end in 3 days. So what you can do is click on select a plan here to subscribe for more. It's the basic plan that's going to be $25 per month, but you can start with $1 per month for 3 months. So for 3 months, it's just going to cost you $3. So once you have set up your store, the first thing you can do here is complete the setup guide. So first thing you do is add your first product, design your store, customize your domain, and add a store name. So let's just quickly do that. What you can do is click on add product here. Then you can select the name of the product. So let's just do something like t-shirt. Then for this description, you can add certain description, or you can ask AI to create a description for you. For example, if I just go ahead and type in organic cotton t-shirt, it's going to automatically generate a text for you, which you can use. So let's just keep this text. All right, so for media, you can upload pictures for your shirt. So click on upload new. I'll just select a random image from here, which I have. So I'll just select this one for now. Now choose your category, what it is. So it's apparel and accessories since it's a t-shirt. Enter your pricing. So you can just go ahead and enter any price you want. So let's say if I just enter something like this. You can also compare price to different other stores. Cost per item, you can do that as well. Then you can track your inventory. Shop location, so if you have a product that has SKU or barcode, you can enter the shop location as well. I'll just skip it for now. For shipping, you can do the store default size, product weights as well, and you can add different variants. For example, color, targeted gender, size, and more. So if I just target gender, it's unisex. If I just go ahead and tap another, add color. And let's just add another color options. So click on color. And then from here, you could just add another option. So for the material name, you can use what kind of material you are using. For example, cotton in this for this instance. What you could also do is add sizes. Now to add sizes, you could just click on add another option. So just tap done, done again. Let's just delete this for now. I'll just add another variant here. And after doing so, you can category meta fields. So you could add different color names, this as well as your engine's search engine listing. After you've completed this, you can just click on save and continue on with the next steps. That is to customize your domain name and giving your store a name. Once you complete all of this, your store is pretty much created. Now, if you want to view your store, you can go to online store, click on this I button here, and it will show you how your store is going to look to a customer. So here, since I haven't named any store, it's showing my store, but once you name it, it's going to show you all of these products like this. So that's how you basically set up your basic store on Shopify. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.